Researchers commonly use many forms and other materials that are usually presented to people in print, such as recruitment materials, informed consent forms, questionnaires containing research instruments, and instructions for interventions.
While print format is useful for many people, others may be unable to use print documents. For example, people with low vision or blindness, people with dyslexia, people with little formal education or who have low literacy, people who have been deaf since early in life, who may have difficulty learning to read because our writing is based on phonics, people whose first language is not English, who may understand spoken English well, but have trouble reading English.
People in any of these groups might otherwise meet all criteria for participation in a specific research project, but be unable to read regular print.
The Find Lab can help researchers use the principles of universal design to make their documents accessible to as many people as possible.
It's important to be prepared to present research materials in multiple formats, such as large print, recorded formats, Braille, as an electronic document to be read with a text-to-speech program, or in American Sign Language with an in-person interpreter, a video relay service, or in a video. For people with eyesight but low ability to read print, it helps to use pictures.
I learned that I can create my research materials according to the National Instructional Materials Accessibility Standards by simply using the Styles function in a word processing program. When I do this, blind people can use text-to-speech programs to access those materials, and we can use a computerized program to transcribe them into Braille if we need a Braille copy.
The implementation of universal design for research materials should be considered a top priority. The information gleaned from including persons with disabilities will allow researchers to have a more complete understanding of all people.